Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you liked that video. If you did, like, comment, share, subscribe. All those things really help the algorithms in pushing this channel forward. So greatly appreciated for that. If you want to support the channel, you can go to thehiddenhomesteadstore.com where you can buy merchandise, beard oil, or anything that we make here in the workshop. Speaking of things that we make in the workshop, if you like the video that you just watched, click on this thumbnail right here. And before we go, I want to thank the Hidden Homestead Patreons. You guys are awesome. We love you. I think that's it. Peace out, guys. Talk to you later.